I stick a note on the fridge every morning. I am sticking stamps on the envelopes right now. I have just stuck the poster on the wall. I have been sticking to my diet for 3 weeks. I stuck my hand up to answer yesterday. I was sticking the labels on jars when the phone rang. I had stuck the pieces together before the glue dried. I had been sticking with this plan for months before it paid off. I will stick the photos in the album tomorrow. I will be sticking price tags on all afternoon. I will have stuck every stamp by the end of the day. By June, I will have been sticking to this routine for a year.